Hello, my name is Ian and I'm a service technician at Ecolawn. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the drive V-belt on an Eco 250. Remove the tensioner guard. Uninstall the tensioner arm and V-belts. Withdraw the blue engine guard. Detach the bottom clevis from the drive tensioner. Remove the drive tensioner axle. Unhook the drive tensioner spring and uninstall the drive tensioner wheel axle. Remove the drive tensioner and take the V-belts off the engine pulley. Mark on the frame the position of the driveshaft's bearing and remove the bolts from the driveshaft's bearing on the left-hand side of the machine only. Replace the drive V-belts and tighten the driveshaft bearing at the marked position. Place the drive V-belts in the grooves of the driveshaft and engine pulleys. Then place the drive tensioner and reinstall the drive tensioner axle. Place the drive tensioner wheel and insert the drive tensioner wheel axle and hook the drive tensioner spring. Attach the bottom clevis to the drive tensioner. Affix the blue engine guard to the frame. Reinstall the tensioner V-belts and tensioner arm. Place and fasten the tensioner guard. Thank you for watching this video. If you require further technical assistance, do not hesitate to contact Ecolawn Applicator at the number or email shown on the screen. Before contacting us, have your serial number ready and be sure to register your machine on our website. The warranty may be void if the machine is not registered.